Hello, all you wonderful, beautiful people out there. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back, and I love you. Just know that. Okay, here is this beautiful look I created. It is a bold-eyed new lip, and I don't know, I'm more of the natural soft type of girl. I just like to enhance. If you like this look, please continue watching. If you don't, bye girl, bye, because I ain't got time. Alright, let's get started. I'm going in with my Pore Professional here, as I always do. I moisturize, of course, already off camera. And I'm just hitting my T-zone really well, because, those be the trouble areas. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. just coloring all over my face because I like to look crazy. Just real. Color correcting, of course. Hurry up, get that out of the way, girl. Hurry up. Alright, and I'm going in with NARS. And I believe the color is Moire Medium Dark 2.3. And that is my Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I switched up my foundation color. This is an olive undertone, I believe. And I know it looks a little crazy, but when it sets, girl, you can't tell. You cannot tell. You can't tell me. It's not my skin, okay? Can't tell me. But we're blending that all out with my beauty blender. Yes, get it in. Whole hairline, all of that. She making sure it's set. She making sure. No creases, no nothing. No eye boogers, no nothing. Get it, boo. Alright, dang, how long did I do this for? Jeez, come on. She just making sure it's good. I'm going in with my NARS concealer. I love this concealer, of course. Creamy Radiant. Same color as always. And it looks so good on top of this color difference. It really makes the highlight look amazing. Amazeballs. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning as I go. I've been doing this for years, but I'm still learning. We always still learning. All of us. Doing my tree of life. And this is how I really do my foundation and concealer. Always do that first before my brows, so that my brows is on fleek after, you know. Blending that out, making sure to keep it right in that spot because we don't want to lift that highlight too high because my face is already chiseled. I don't want to look like a drag queen. I try not to look like a drag queen. Just bear with me. And we are setting it with, I know I'm not showing any of the products really, but they're going to be in the description box. With my Fenty setting powder, of course, in the color Banana. Banana. I don't know if it's just me, but the only reason why I know how to spell banana is because Gwen Stefani, by the way. Just a shout out to Gwen Stefani. Thank you. I appreciate it. But I'm going in with a drier beauty blender to set my nose contour. And then I'm setting it down here because I don't need to put concealer down there, just setting powder. And let me tell you, ooh, that works for me. My Fenty eyelid primer. And girl, this stuff sticks. It sticks. It really does stick. And you, once you put it on, trust me, you're not creasing and you're not doing nothing. It's there. It's really there. I'm going with my Sunstalker bronzer and Caramel Cutie and defining the brow and my nose. This is such a this really makes a difference in your makeup. Like, it just makes you look so, like, how do I say it? I don't know the word, so forget it. It makes you look good. But we going in with Come and Get It, Rihanna's favorite color in her crease. You know I gotta use it too since it's her favorite color, okay? And I usually use that's a Fenty brush from the Galaxy palette series, but I usually use Urban Decay. It's not Urban Decay. It is definitely Real Techniques brushes. I don't know what I'm talking about. And that color is Real Guard from the Modern Renaissance palette in ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna get it together, y'all. Don't just give me a few months. And I'm blending it out with some random, not beauty blender, with some random blender I got from my Ipsy subscription like a couple years ago. I'm back in my Real Techniques and just bringing that color down. I don't know what effect I tried to go for, but I just wanted a solid color all over the lid. Ended up being a little bit lighter on the lid. I'm not sure why. But hey, girl, it worked out. I just kept packing it on. And I'm just making sure that looks effortlessly blended. Yes, girl. Going in under the eye as well. I wanted to bring it low, but not too low, you know. I'm still trying to keep it smooth and sexy over here. Smooth and sexy. Making sure our eyes look identical, not like our eyebrows. You can make your eyes look identical, not your eyeliner or your eyebrows, okay? So if you got mismatched mismatched eyeshadow, get off my page. We're not friends. Yes, making it flawless. A lot of ladies love this look when I posted it on Instagram and Facebook. So I decided to do that video. And I'm going in with a lighter color in the inner corner, by the way. Oh, yes, I am talking to my mother on my watch. And funny story is, don't make me cry, y'all. She literally just told me that she had her surgery today. You about to see my face change and me get real serious. But she got a cancer lump removed from her left breast. See, I got real serious. Like, what the fuck? She didn't want to tell me because I'm pregnant, obviously, and then I've been having complications through my pregnancy, so she didn't want to freak me out. Because first time we found out she had cancer 5 years ago, I freaked the F out. Okay, I did. Like, newborn baby crying, hard, balled up in her arms, all that. She's my angel, and I can't imagine anything without her. I can't imagine life without her. Like, her and my dad, but she made this gorgeous face possible. Look how serious I am. She made me so mad, but I couldn't be mad at her. Okay, I'm putting my blush on, and that is my Milani blush. It's called Coral Cove. And then I'm going in with Me Money. My inner tear ducts. Something on my hand. But you can mind my ring. You see that thing? Hey. Dang, I put a lot up there. Okay, I did my eyelashes off the camera, and I'm going in with Fenty Stunner Lip and Unbutton. And this is how I put it on, because I can't do it all around my lips because I end up looking crazy. But it is a beautiful nude. It's beautiful. See that? Hey. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's out there watching. I appreciate the love, and I hope you come back to my channel. Subscribe, hit that bell button, like, comment. I love y'all. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm crazy. Yeah.